Investors today often categorize companies by investment style, namely value and growth. Companies can exhibit varying degrees of value or growth characteristics, with some even offering a blend of the two styles. And why Moat companies are no different. The companies we cover here on the Moat Show follow suit. Companies like building materials manufacturer Masco, orthopedic implant company Zimmer Biomet, and Campbell Soup tend to fall more on the value side of the spectrum. They're considered value because of their attractive price ratios based on metrics like book value, sales, cash flow, and dividend yield. While names like NVIDIA, Meta, Domino's, and TransUnion lay more on the growth side of the spectrum on account of their high growth rates in areas like earnings, sales, and cash flow. To hear more about these companies and others, tune in to The Moat Show by clicking the link in the description.